The Penny House IPMax PO8 surveillance system includes 4 professional PO cameras of 8 megapixels each with a 3.6mm lens and a viewing angle of 71 degrees. The NVR with 10 channels, 4 of which are PO, allows you to add 6 more IP cameras with a maximum resolution of 8 megapixels. The surveillance cameras in the package need only one Ethernet cable to connect them to the NVR. The cable ensures both the power supply of the cameras and the transfer of the video signal. Fewer cables mean greater freedom of installation over longer distances without signal loss. This is one of the major advantages of surveillance system with PO, Power over Ethernet technology. Download the XMI app, add the PO Penny system and enjoy the live images or the recordings stored on the hard disk installed in the NVR. The hard disk is purchased separately. The app allows adding multiple CCTV systems and enabling alert notifications. Smart alerts sent via email or in-app whenever motion, signal or image are detected allow you to take timely precautions to maintain security and prevent unwanted incidents.